Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Maps and signing in so your offline areas sync. Next, tap your profile, choose Offline Maps, and select your own map. Once done, zoom and pan to frame the exact area you need. The app shows approximate size and storage. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or sufficient cellular data, and confirm available storage. This step saves time later because the map tiles and business info will be downloaded now, ready for use without connectivity. Now refine the area. Zoom in to include specific streets, transit lines, or places you'll use. You want the right level of detail because Google limits download size per map. Tap Download, give the map a clear name like City Center Trip, and watch the progress indicator. The app caches navigation data and business details. If the area is large, split it into 2 or more maps so each stays within size limits. Doing this makes navigation, search, and turn-by-turn work reliably offline. To use what you saved, open Google Maps and go to Offline Maps from your profile. Select the map and start navigation as if you were online. Make sure to update maps every 30 days so data and routes stay current. Enable auto update on Wi-Fi to automate this. If something goes wrong, check available storage, confirm you're signed into the correct account, and retry the download over a stable Wi-Fi connection. If updates fail, deleting and re-downloading the area usually fixes corrupted tiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.